Mae Sally Selwood yn reolwr adnoddau dynol i gwmni In the Welsh Wind. Mae Sally'n gweithio'n agos gyda'r staff i drafod ac adnabod bylchau yn sgiliau'r gweithlu.
As the HR manager, one of the key things that I have to do is help identify gaps in people's knowledge and then work out the best way to fill those gaps. So very few people come to us with any background in distilling. So we're always looking to see how we can upskill on a number of levels. We have, in some cases, used apprenticeships alongside the offering that Food and Drink Skills Wales can provide for us. But where Food and Drink Skills Wales have really helped us is that they've provide funding that we can bring people along with their skills that really adds value to the role. So it's going beyond the basic requirements of the job so that they're really developing in the roles that they have with us here.
Mae Sally yn gwerthfawrogi'r cymorth sydd ar gael gan raglen sgiliau bwyd a diod Cymru ac yn gweld y broses o wneud cais am hyfforddiant yn un hwylus dros ben.
We've found working with Food and Drink Skills Wales really easy. The workforce manager is really helpful. We quite often need courses that aren't provided for through the framework directly, but there's a very easy process. I think one of the benefits of being able to access all of the trainings is that every single person has improved in their self-confidence.
Mae Sally yn canmol yr ystod o gyrsiau sydd ar gael trwy'r rhaglen.
I would say the WSET course has been brilliant across the board because for every role it adds something to that individual. So for the marketing team, understanding more broadly how spirits are made and how they're supposed to taste and how they can taste spirits, that's really good for writing content on the website. For our front of house team, that knowledge is brilliant in delivering customer experience, but it's also really important for the guys who are actually making and bottling and labelling. It gives them an appreciation of what they're doing. Another course where we've really seen tangible benefits very quickly is the commercial skills course. We've put our sales guys through that course where it's been appropriate and again really seen the difference very quickly in their approach to sales and the knock-on benefits to the business of them being more confident in their sales role.
Mae Ellen Evans wedi dilyn cwrs WSET mewn gwirodydd ac yn sôn am y manteision o ddilyn y cwrs a sut mae'r hyn addysgodd yn fanteisiol ar gyfer ei swydd.
Nes i WSET cwrs yn gwirodydd am sy'n nes i dechrau gyntaf. Dyna'n really good, nath o rhoi dealltwriaeth dofyn i fi ynglyn â siwt mae gwirodydd yn cael ei distyllu. Hyd yn oed bod fi'n gweithio yn marchnata, oedd e dal yn really good i deall siwt maen nhw'n cael ei distyllu a siwt mae gwahanol gwirodydd yn blasu. Dwi'n meddwl bod uwchsgilio yn swydd fi yn really bwysig oherwydd nes i gradd marchnata yn Prifysgol Aberystwyth a mae uwchsgilio yn swydd yma yn really dda oherwydd mae fe jyst yn gadael fi dysgu mwy am y swydd specifically fel am distyllu a ble fi'n gweithio a pan mae fe'n bwysig i gwybod na.
Dyma Molly Smith yn esbonio sut mae uwchsgilio yn eich swydd yn magu hyder, yn bersonol ac er bydd y cwmni.
Dwi'n gweithio gyda pobl pob dydd, cael hyder mewn fy'n hunan a beth gallai siarad amdano gyda gwirodydd. Mae fe'n rhoi mwy o hyder i fi achos mae da fi fel confidence mewn beth dwi'n neud a sut gallai helpu pobl i ddysgu amdano beth ni'n neud fan hyn hefyd.
Mae In the Welsh Wind yn awyddus iawn i ddatblygu ymhellach sgiliau arweinyddiaeth o fewn y busnes.
We are still growing as a team. We started off with quite a gap between the senior team and the people on the ground day to day, but we are too busy and we have too much to do to rely on that flat structure, so we want to develop more people to have those skills.
Os hoffech chi ragor o fanylion am y cyrsiau sydd ar gael, cysylltwch â ni ar sgiliau-cymru@mentera.cymru.